Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I'm here with a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates and quick tips. So first of all, this week we're starting off 2019 with a bang with an Arduino stepper motor tutorial. We're going to be using some Arduino libraries, and we're going to be using a 3D printed turntable and showing you how to implement an Arduino-based stepper motor program. So that's what's coming up this week. Then next week we have our scenery tutorial for January, and we're going to be doing a wire tree where you take some wire and you twist it up to make smaller trees, and I'm going to show you how I do that and where I get the supplies so that it's really cheap. So that's what we're doing this week and next week on my channel. Alright, so on to this week's quick tip. In terms of modeling supplies, you don't always have to go to the hobby store or online. There are many alternatives to modeling supplies. Specifically, we're talking plaster, we're talking all sorts of different compounds used for sculpting. I get a lot of my sculpting materials from the big box hardware stores like Lowe's or Home Depot. Some of my favorite things are joint compound, which I use a lot of, and then I also buy large bags of plaster of Paris, which are a lot cheaper at the hardware store. So that's my quick tip for this week, is to go to look at other places for similar hobby supplies. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.